YouTube, it's Louis here. I hope you're all well. Elrond is looking a little bit different to the alts that we look at, like Quant and H bar. The only difference is that we went slightly above the 200 EMA, but that's fine. I gave you this resistance, the double bottoms resistance, the double bottoms neckline. Sorry, yeah, 202. We've been saying we're coiling up here. As long as we're holding above this bullish cross, which we've actually fallen back to, for me personally, I do like it when it comes to the 55. So if we do lose this wick over here, this green wick right there at 180, then I would expect one last dump down into the green area over here of 170 basically. I want to see that hold. Now that will only happen if Bitcoin is losing that wick. I urge you guys all to watch that Bitcoin video. And just before we continue, I want to bring your guys' attention to this. So guys, here are the crypto packages. If you think you have what it takes to stay disciplined and consistent over the next 3 to 6 months, then I'm more than happy to help you 10x your learning curve. So you can already be a complete beginner, or you can be advanced. It doesn't matter. I'm here to turn you into a self-sufficient trader that doesn't need anyone else's guidance by the end of it. I even had to pay over £10,000 to get all this information. That includes scams, scam signals where I lost 3k, scam master account management where I lost 5k, scam pyramid scheme companies for bad courses. Then I found my mentor and I had to pay over $2,000 for just a 2-hour mentorship lesson. What you guys are getting for £650 is access to the chat until the top of the market. So if the top of the market is a year away, do 1 year times 40. So you're definitely getting your money's worth. You also get the course included in the mentorship, and I'll actually not just do a 2-hour lesson with you. I will stay here for a month period to make sure that you become a self-sufficient trader by the end of it. So if you're interested in this, head over to my Twitter, Louis_crypto, to the pinned post and message me there. You know what to do. The link to my Twitter is in the description down below. Now, we can't really lose the orange line. We need to hold the 55. This is our double brick wall. This is what's going to keep us from going lower, because you can see if we were to lose this 55, you'd be under every single EMA, the 200, the 12, the 20 and the 55. So it's vital if we do come down, we hold that, get that retest, break above the high over here. Once we are above this high, or if we don't go down, just wait. Once we are above this high, 215, which I've been saying on the channel over the last week, or you can wait for a daily close above 202 if you're confident, and then obviously we can long to our technical targets. This double bottoms target is way up here at 328. It won't happen overnight, guys. This red zone is such a key area. If you remember back in December when I gave you this descending triangle, and I also gave you this low target back in December, I said that for us to actually continue up to break the all-time high, we must hold this 0382. Okay, we were going up so crazy. I remember, I think I was around just under $100 off. I gave you 480 as my target. I said we were going a bit parabolic, we're going to come down. I thought we were going to hold this level here because that was previous support, but once we lost that, we recognized that this was the key area and we fell back to it, which was also the 618 acting as confluence. We always want to look for things that are lining up with each other. Now that's why I know that the 382 now, although it's just like a random fib level, if I look to the left, look at that for confluence. That was a previous all-time high. That was a previous all-time high. Then once we broke above it, we confirmed their support here and made a new all-time high. So then we came back down. Obviously, we didn't get the bounce that we wanted, and it formed some sort of descending triangle and broke down. So I know that once we are above this level again, 223 to 236, wow, guys, this is the bull market continuation that we've been praying for. So this is why I know, and I'm confident with my analysis on Elrond. Until we're above that, we can't technically be bullish. However, we are forming this double bottom over here on the 618, which is the fib retracement level before continuation and breaking these highs, heading to potential 1.4k targets. It may be even higher than that, but for the moment, I'm just focusing on that. So if you like that target, like the video, leave a comment on your opinion on that target. It's not a BS target. I've just measured from the high to the low. Once you break above the 1, your next target is the 1618. We are going to 1.4k. I just don't know if that's in this bull run, but it is a target. What I would say is, yeah, once you break that high, that is your target. So whenever this bull run commences again, yeah, whatever you want to say, I know that the first step is getting above this and then obviously breaking the high. So we could have a crazy, not even a leverage position, a crazy spot position from here, or you could even open it early once we are above this 202 or this 215 area, one of these entries all the way back to the previous all-time high, that would be absolutely ridiculous. Over 166%. That could be a trade going forward for you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.